Hello, guys.
Yeah.
You see my friend? What's their name?
Ali and Ali.
What?
My name is Ali Mansouri.
Al Masuri?
Mansouri.
What?
Ali Mansouri. Ali
Okay.
Mansouri. Yes. Ali Mansouri. Ali Mansouri. Same? Yes. Same.
Uncle.
Okay. So these are the great people of
Okay,
United
Ali
Arab
Masuri.
Emirates.
Yes.
As you can look, you see them, they are very wonderful people.
Thank you.
Very friendly people. So I met them at this border of Saudi Arabia and the UAE.
Yes.
I decided to make a video of them so we can talk. You see, can you see them very well?
Yeah.
Very wonderful people.
Thank you.
Very accommodating. This is what we want in our
And
country.
you are welcome.
So I would like you to tell them to vote wisely. Say vote wisely.
What for wisely?
Voting, we are doing election in our country. So I want them to vote the good person.
Vote Peter
So
Obi.
so we can have good government.
Good luck, inshallah.
Inshallah. Say good, vote wise.
Good vote voice.
Good. Vote wise.
Vote obedient.
Obedient.
Obedient. You obedient? Inshallah. Okay, thank you so much. Unu afụgoro ka o si ada. Mụ na Godwin anyị ekogolo okwu n'obodo a. Anyị ga-ejechi ije. Unu kwete na ọ na-eme.
Ekweta na ọ na-eme.
Achọkwa m ka nsogolu na-eyi efe ọcha. Ịma na unu na-eche na uwe ọcha a na-ekwu a na-eyi n'ọsọ na n'eluigwe ka a na-eyi ya.
A na-eyikwa n'ụwa.
A na-eyi ya ebe ịfụ ka onye nke anyị. Achọrọ m ije ekwubie niile ka ọ dị ka na-etinye. Achọrọ m isi oyibo uwe ọcha. Anyị bịa na Naịjirịa be anyị dị mma ya yi uwe ọcha. Ijekwa eji uwe ọcha na Naịjirịa your own no. Godwin ka anyị na-echekwa azụ biko ike agwụgo m. I'm tired of Nigerians. I'm tired of Nigeria as a country and Nigerians because of how we think. Vote wisely. Vote Peter Obi. Ma ọ bụrụ na ị chọọ ka be anyị ka dị UAE mma, they don't have much. But the little they have, they use it to develop their country. So when they ask you to leave, it's not a bad thing. Leave, go and do your own like their own. We have all it takes to better Nigeria. It depends on you. You that is watching this. Share. Let other people see this video. So that it's too much. If you guys are not feeling it, I'm feeling it. Even from the distance, I'm feeling the heat.
We have parents back home.
Please.
We have siblings back home.
Please vote wisely. Peter Obi is the only solution for better Nigeria.
Vote Peter Obi.
Vote wise.